So, end of day 5. It's raining on us, but this is what we've got. Deck is installed. Nice stairs. Things laid out really nice. Decorative caps and posts. We need to get a gutter installed for it here, but we can do that. Pre-drilled and screwed all our spindles. That's how to keep them looking nice. The guys moved the furniture back in. I'm not sure this is how she had it set up, but we're not interior decorators. A few minor finishing touches and this project's a wrap. And this is what a professionally installed covered deck should look like. Thanks for watching.